everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Alchemy Elizar, which is located in Electronic City, a project by Arath. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan with the current construction status and the position of the project. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing just in the front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office and about the towers. That is the land parcel. So these are the two towers under construction on the land parcel. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 4 acre of land parcel with 2 residential towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 17 floors having 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is exactly located on Shikari Palya in Bommasandra Electronic City. Niladri Road is 5 minutes away. Electronic City flyover is 10 minutes away from the location. Nice Ring Road is also 10 minutes away and Electronic City metro station is also 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with CP sanitary fittings, vitrified tiles, AC sink with firefighting system and many more. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you 40 plus luxurious amenities like of, you can check out here's the swimming pool, the basketball court, kids play area, lily pond, multi-purpose court and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you one type of car parking and that is the basement level car parking. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Arath Alchemy Elizar. As you can see in the image, there are 2 towers constructed on 4 acres of land parcel with the amenities placed in the center of the land parcel. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower A, having 11 flats per floor, 2 lifts, 2 staircases, and here all the flats are of 2 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1142 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1342 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK duplex, 2684 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the construction status of the project. So as you can check out the land parcel behind me where the construction work is going on, almost you can check out that the 80% work is completed. So let me tell you that the position of the project is by December 2026. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of Alchemy Elixir, which is located in Electronic City, a project by Arath.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.